Yeah, so I got down to the dealership this morning at 7:30 in the morning to get a quick oil change, and so I can hit the road on a road trip. But apparently the quick lube hasn't been running for a while because of staffing problems. So now I have to book the car in, which I've done, and wait around probably all day for an oil change. Oh well, got to get done. Well, since I'm stuck in town for a few hours, I thought I'd go over and have a look at Topaz Park, just off of Blanchard Street in Victoria here. I've known where this place has been for probably 60 some years, but I've never looked around it because I had no reason to, but now I do. See, they've got washrooms here. I know that it's basically a lot of the homeless live around here in the park and that, but I don't know if they're still in here or not. Oh, they got a bike area here. This is kind of cool. Let's have a look around this park. I had no idea this was here. Yeah, it's not bike, it's skateboard. That's kind of cool. This place is absolutely huge. The fella said, "Hey, you want to give it a try?" I said, "No, too long a wait at the emergency room these days. So, no thanks." I didn't know this was here. Oh, they got this great big pit here. I don't know if I'd want to go down in there. That's a long way down. That's got to be 10, 12 feet down. That must be for the real professionals. Well, we can give it a try. Look at this thing. Oh, yeah. Roll me over. No, not a good idea. Oh, jeez. Oh, well. What a beautiful day. Waiting. Where does this go? Let's have, oh, we've got to check this out. Just up the hill from that skate park, they've got this. It's another one. Doesn't look like it gets used as much though. I guess it's for bikes too, I guess. I don't know. But there's a starting area, that's good. Maybe it's for bikes. Someone let me know. It's huge. Squirrel. Yeah, there you go. And they've got exercise equipment here too. Free gym. Perfect. Well, I'm not using that. And you've got your children's play area. That's pretty nice. It's a good sized one. Pretty good sized parking lot on this side of the park too. We have some more washrooms over here. And this is a wooded area here that goes over, I believe this goes over on the Finlayson. So there's a parking lot on the other side. We'll have a look. I have a funny feeling that this is where the homeless people set up camp, which is very unfortunate for them. Feel sorry for all these people, but still a pretty nice place to camp. Yeah, this is Topaz Park at 841 Finlayson Street. And it has another parking lot here, so we've come across like 3 parking lots so far. I know they hold some huge events in here, so they need lots of parking. So if you're riding through town, like down Blanchard Street or something, you want to take a little bit of a break, you can always come up here and lock your bikes up and wander around and have a look through this park. There's a lot here. Not bad for the middle of Victoria. I am guessing that this is a lacrosse box here. This is definitely my type of viewing area right here. Look at these. Looks pretty comfy. There's a few of these in the park here for filling your water bottle and just having a drink. I do see a homeless camp set up over there, so we'll respect their privacy and go this way. We've had quite a few windstorms the last couple of days, and you can see some of the branches have come down in here, but the plus is beautiful weather's moved back in again. Yet we have another baseball field here. Once again, huge. One more over on this side. Yeah, he's still at it. Now this field here, little baseball diamond here, is a bit more what I expected. It's hasn't been maintained at all, so I guess they have more plans for this one over here. But the rest of the park is just beautiful. Well, I guess we'll wander back and see if the car's ready. It's in jail, but I think it's done because I left it somewhere else. So I think we're good to go. What do you think? Wow, that worked out. So what did you think of Topaz Park? Was it a surprise to you as much as it was to me? Yeah, like I said, I think that's the first time I've been there. Lived on Vancouver Island for over 60 some years now, and first time there. Let's go pay for the car and get ready to go head out on our trip. So stay safe and get out and enjoy these places. I'm going to enjoy some places from here to Edmonton, I guess, next week. Bye for now. Now, how much is this going to cost?